Now let's say we want to see the number of orders each customer has placed. So we're going to annotate our customers with a new field called orders count. And here we're going to use the count class. Now look, VS Code offers to automatically import this class for us. So we just press enter and it's imported on the top. Now let me show you a shortcut. We can also import the count class from the models module. And with this, we can avoid an extra import statement. Now, what is the difference between these two classes? Nothing. The models module simply imports the count class from the aggregates module and then re-exports it. Okay. So let's delete this line. Good. So we create a count object. Now, what field should we use to count the number of orders? Well, let's go to our customer class. So our customer has these fields, but we don't have a field called orders. So let's look at the order class. Here we have customer, which is a foreign key, right? And you know that with this implementation, Django is going to create the reverse relationship for us. So here in the customer class, we're going to have a field called order underline set. So the singular name of the target class followed by underline set. And this is all in lowercase. Now, for some reason that is known to Django developers, we cannot use this name to count the number of orders for each customer. Let me show you what I mean. So back to our playground, if we type order underline set here, we get an exception. Look, cannot resolve keyword order set into field. Our choices are address, birth date, email, first name, ID, last name, membership, order, and phone. So the name of the field that we should use for counting is order. Why? Honestly, I don't know. So back to our code, let's change this to order and rerun our query. Great. Now let's look at our query. So now we are selecting all these fields from the customer table, and we're also counting the number of orders. Now look, we have a left join between customers and orders because not every customer has an order. Now, if you're not familiar with left joins, you really need to look at my SQL course. I covered this in detail there. And finally, we have a group by clause for grouping the number of orders for each customer. So if you run this query, we can see the number of orders for each customer.